So, the last class, we have looked at the different aspects or the different subject areas of home economics. Is that so, students? Good. And we will spoke about the different subject areas being clothing, fashion and textiles, family resources and management, and food, nutrition, and health. So today, we'll be looking at food, nutritional health, and under food, nutritional health, we will be looking at food groups. So, before we finish this lesson on food groups, they are the objectives, as always, we outline our objectives of what is it you are to achieve. So, at the end of this lesson, I expect you, the students, to one, list at least three out of the six food groups they are. We're going to list at least one example from each food group, and you will be able to give me at least one function from each food group. So, as we go into today's lesson, in the Caribbean, we have six food groups. We have six different food groups, and the different food groups are grouped together according to the main nutrients they contain. So, under the first one, we have staples. Staple is the first food group. So, some examples we have cereals, and we have bread, which is we get bread made from whole grain or enriched flour, wheat flour, corn, which is also known as maize, cornmeal, and rice. So another example, we have starchy fruits, roots, tubers, such as plantain. We have plantain, breadfruit, yam, cassava. Now, why they are called staple? Because they make up the bulk of our diet. Right? And they're prevalent at least all meals. You must have them in your diet or in your meal. Everybody understand so far? Yes. Good. So, we're mapping functions. Okay, so we say staples are the primary source of carbohydrates which provide energy for our daily activities and maintain our body warm. So, the staples, they are primary source of carbohydrates for our body, and we get carbohydrates from, like I said earlier, we get carbohydrates from bread, flour, wheat, corn, maize, cassava, all of the other examples that we have listed just now. And they give us energy to carry out our daily activities, such as, give me some daily activities, students, that you would do. Running,
Walking,
jogging, skipping, being in the classroom, taking down notes. Right? Good. Moving on to the next one. We have food from animals. And what is our food from animals?
chicken,
Mr. Alfini, give me some food from animals you know. Beef. Jennifer? Pork. Alright, good. So we have some examples here on the board. We have meat, poultry, fish in various forms, such as it can be fresh or canned, pickled, dried, milk, eggs, liver. So when we speak about poultry, it basically means we're speaking about chicken. It can be different game birds, chicken, turkey, pigeon. Anybody ever tried pigeon in class? Are you? Pigeon is very good to eat. Good. And we can have it in various forms such as canned, dried. We know some canned forms of fish.
tuna,
Tuna, the canned mackerel, the canned sardines, right? We have milk, we have eggs and liver. And in terms of we talk about liver, we can either be chicken liver or the liver from the cow, right? Or we call beef liver. So the function is that Animal foods are rich in protein, which is essential for energy and are the building blocks and repairing bodily cells and tissues. So, for example, when you're working out and you lift weights and you know the muscles, you exercise, the muscles they rip and they tear as we lift weights. So, by eating protein, it helps to repair our muscle tissues. So, that is why you find when you're working out, lift weights, like tomorrow, you lift weights to gain muscle. And most times you feel next day our muscles are sore, it's hurting, isn't that so? But that is because by the constant lifting, the muscle tissues they are torn open. And we see the muscle is tear, right? All that is the part of building the muscle. So in order to repair that fast, we need to add protein to our diet. And protein helps to repair blood, also helps with blood, and it also helps in repairing tissues, right? Good. So based on the discussion with the pan, I'm going to ask you guys to give me the 6 different food groups. Anybody can stand and just name one, right? Yes, Kimura? Staples, very good. Yes, Alpina? Food from animals. Good. So the next one we have is legumes, nuts, and seeds. So we have some examples: kidney beans, pigeon peas, black-eyed peas, peanuts, cashew nuts, sesame seeds. Any other kind of examples you know, students? Nuts we know. You ever heard of pumpkin seeds?
Dal.
That's going to be dal. The correct word is lentils, right? And we call split peas. Good, very good. Any other one? Right. So there are quite a variety. So in your spare time, you will be able to. I want you guys to look them up as part of your homework, right? Good. So the function. These provide an excellent source of plant-based proteins and other nutrients that help to build and repair cells and tissues. So just like how we get the animal food from animals that you have to build now, these legumes, nuts, and seeds, they also do the same thing. But, for example, what about persons who are vegetarian? Where would they be able to get this source from if they're vegetarian? So that is why we have legumes, nuts, and seeds. Right? So for us who are vegetarian, you'll find that they are using more legumes, nuts, and seeds in their diet. For example, you wouldn't be finding them eating chicken. You might find them including more kidney beans in their diet. Right, Kimura? Good. We have another one on the board. Dark green leafy vegetables. So what is some dark green leafy vegetables you know?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin, cabbages. Alright, so we have on the board, we have, oh, you saw it already. We have callaloo. Good. So we have the examples. We have callaloo is also known as spinach. We have cabbage, pak choy, string beans, pumpkin, and etc. For example, we have green vegetables. We have what we guys call the long beans or the bora, as some of you would know it in the market. And for the functions, we have function. So vegetables are vital for regulating bodily processes, including and maintaining body temperatures and providing vitamins and minerals. So you see again, back here again, we have vitamins and minerals we get from the dark green and leafy vegetables. Good. So please note, so we have some other examples as well. We have squash, we have okra, cucumber, and tomatoes. Right? Another one, we have fruits. So before we go into fruits, so far, are you guys understand so far? Everything clear?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Right. So fruits. Why is it important for us to use fruits?
To get our vitamin C.
To get our vitamin C. Good. Any other thing? Any other one tomorrow? To get nutrients. Right? And we eat them because they taste
Good.
good. Alright, so some examples of fruits you guys know. Apples,
Cherry,
cherries,
mango, guava.
mangoes, guavas. Very good. So we have On the board, we have some examples that I have mango, guava, citrus fruits. When we say about citrus fruits, what are they? Um, Citrus fruits can be
Orange?
oranges, tangerines, right? Good. We have orange, grapefruit, limes, tangerine, pineapple, West Indian cherry. So the function, fruits are rich in vitamins and antioxidants and fiber as well. And they help to protect the body from diseases and support overall health. So from our discussion so far, students, can you list the 6 different food groups to me? Kimura?